Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today we will check on the locator By.PartialLinkText. By.PartialLinkText is used when the full text of a link is not stable. In many real applications, link text can change slightly. For example, contacts, my contacts, or all contacts. Instead of matching the full text, PartialLinkText allows Selenium to match only a part of visible text. This makes automation more flexible and less likely to break when UI text changes slightly. Here we will see an example how we are using the locator by.partialLinkText. We are not we previously we used sign up, now we are using only part of the text sign, and still it will go ahead and click on that particular link and we will see the message in the console app. Here Selenium locates a link on Cognito using the part of the visible text, that is only sign. And then if the full link text changes, Selenium can still find it and click on the current link. This shows that partial link text is useful in real applications. As we have seen, it has been navigated to other website by clicking on the sign up. By.partial link text gives flexibility when the link text changes. In the next video, we will start with CSS selectors. Thank you.